Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix enable to verify update on iPhone. So guys, if you are updating your device to the latest version of iOS but you are facing a problem that enable to verify update, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings, and from here guys you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection, and after that you have to make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is unconnected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that you have to just simply tap on iPhone storage and you have to make sure that there is enough storage for update. So guys, after this then you have to just simply go back, scroll down, and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, tap reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your setting you have to just simply tap on automatic updates and turn this tool on. After turning it off you have to just simply close this, and after that force restart your device for one time. So guys, after doing this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.